I want to welcome everybody, first of all, back to Fishburne Military School. My name is Mike Davis, and I'm the president of the Alumni Association. I just want to welcome everybody. First of all, to all the alumni, I want to welcome you home. Thank you for all of our guests here today as well, families and friends. We're all just really glad to see you all come out and make the trip here. It's a special weekend and a special place, and we're all just ecstatic to see you. And I want to thank the Corps Cadets for joining us this year. So we're here now for the Century Square Brick Project, the bricklaying ceremony. The purpose of the Brick Paver Project is to create a place to honor those past, present, and future who supported the school as alumni, trustees, heads, faculty, staff, vendors, parents, and friends. The quadrangle was chosen because it is the center of Fishburne life and allows for expansion along the 6 walkways and eventually the apron as the project grows over time. And I think if you come up here, you can see we're well underway. The center of the quadrangle will be called Century Square, which honors the location of the original guardhouse Century Shack, the historic quadrangle, and because the bricks and the individuals they represent stand in perpetuity to guard FMS. In 2005, the site of the original Century Box, which centered Fishburne's historic quadrangle, was rededicated to honor those alumni, faculty, staff, trustees, and friends of Fishburne who zealously guard the honor, traditions, and memories of this hallowed and historic school. At this time, I want to get started. We have several bricks up here, and when I call out whoever the brick is dedicated for, if there's anybody here for that person, we would love if you would just come up to the middle of the quad, to the square, and take a photo with us and celebrate what we're here to do today. And you know, the first brick that we have today, this man needed no introduction. We all knew him. We knew his face. We knew his laugh. We knew his spirit. The Fishburne Alumni Association Board of Directors came together on this brick because this man was an inspiration to all of us, and we wanted to show our everlasting appreciation to him. And that brick is in memory of Robert H. Bob Blum, class of 1936. And we're going to welcome his family here today. Chance to take a step back from the alumni house today. When you got into the town, if you look up in the window, you'll see Bob's face looking down on us. So it's really special, and we really thank his family for being here. The next break is in memory of Lieutenant Colonel Richard E. Crotty. It's inscribed Richard Crotty, Lieutenant Colonel, U.S. Army, SAI, 1930 to 2016. Reverend Brian K. White, class of 1994. It's inscribed Reverend Brian White, class of 1994, 1975 to 2021. The next break is in honor of CPO Marshall A. Martin, class of 1969. It's inscribed Marshall Martin, class 1969. We're going to keep Mr. Ellison up here. The next break is in honor of the Ellison family. It is inscribed, the Ellisons of Fishburne. The next break is in honor of Clay H. Curtis, class of 1969. Inscribed Clay Curtis, 1969. Come on back, Mr. Tony.
No, that's different. Oh, that's like the sixth grade. So this is the one. Are you like the first one? It's just in the line. Yeah, that's fine. What's that? Yes, yeah. So you just stand, just wait in that line, and you'll see what happens. The teacher will come out.
Our next break is in honor of Thomas T. Fred Tate, class of 1968. Inscribed T. Fred Tate, class of 1968. Memories always. The next break is in honor of William A. Kelton, class of 1968. Inscribed William Kelton, Bill, class 68, friend forever.
Yeah. But you're, is like a round.
It's something that I've been really just surprised and I've really enjoyed since I've been coming back to Fishburne. We've started doing it for a couple of years now. And I think it's just a really cool way for us to give back to our school and also honor the people that we loved and we cared about. And I can't wait to just see this project continue and we'll fill this place up. At this time, alumni, if you would direct your attention to the second stoop, I believe the Corps of Cadets has something that they want to present to you guys, and we'll see if they've been practicing their singing voices. They will be singing our song to us. We can keep all the alumni here. At this time, we're going to begin the alumni bell ringing ceremony. I think you all know what that's about. But first, I want to invite Mr. John Bailey, class of 1985.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming out here today. I was told to speak directly to the mic, so that's what I'm going to do. All my brothers up on the stoops. Gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? All of my young brothers up on the stoops. This bell ringing was the brainchild of a bellhop that went before all of us named Larry Bass. And Larry's one of those characters, those who knew him will never, ever forget him. And he's had the idea of ringing this bell because he said the bell, and he was quite right. He said the bell, no matter where everyone here goes in life, no matter where you end up, we are all united by at least one thing, and that is the sound of that bell. That bell, for however many years you were here, that bell runs your life day in and day out. Tells you when to wake up, tells you when to go to bed. So Larry had the idea that after all those years of him not ringing the bell, he really wanted to ring the bell. And rather than sneak in here at 2 o'clock in the morning and try to wake you up like alumni have done for years and years and years past, he wanted to get it to be an official thing. It almost got Larry banned from the school, his fight to get that to be a traditional thing. But damn near everything Larry did almost got him banned from the school. So he was a typical brother, just like all of us standing here in the quadrangle and just like all of you standing in the stoops. So gentlemen, today we are going to ring this bell. We're going to ring it for all of you. We're going to ring it for all of us. We're going to ring it for every bellhop that came before and will come after us. I myself today am ringing this bell for Alex Wilson and Mike Coakley. And they're two of our brothers who are no longer with us. And things just got too dark for them. And they did not remember and did not realize that they had over 4,000 brothers in this world to turn to at any given time. And I want everyone standing on those stoops and everyone standing in those bricks to realize that look to your left, look to your right, and you've got a brother So no matter where you go in life, you've got someone who has your back. Keep that in mind, and I ring this for Alex and Mike and all the other brothers that have come before me and all the brothers that will come behind me. Gentlemen, after I ring this, we invite each and every alumni, come right down the middle and ring it and shout with proud why you are. If you could line up behind me now, gentlemen.
Are you getting what you need, Mark?
Yep.
Alex and Mike, gone too soon, gone for no reason. Brother Larry Bass. Timmy Fox, down in there. Bill Hunter, down in Thailand. Number 1, Larry Bass, good friend, 73. Russ Christensen died a month ago. Danny Holmes, class 73. Ronnie White, 1994. Class of 85. Rick Ratcliffe, 14. Brian Green. Will Filligan. Class of 84. Class of 16. Class of 78. Mark Washington. James Jankovich, class of 83. Class of 2008. Jeff Rose. I get over here to it, I'm gonna ring it. I'm ringing for the class of 73. For the class of 73.
All right, 50 years rounded, right?
Yeah.
There you go.
It doesn't seem as fast.
Doing all right. Good seeing you.
General Lee Jones. That's the command. I want you guys to see this. Each other respect, giving back to David Powell, ladies down here, I hope to see you.
Tune in tomorrow morning, 10 a.m. We'll be live again. Thank you.